This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your university email. First, gather your student identification number and any initial login credentials provided by the university during your admission process. Access the university's official website and carefully locate the New Student or IT Services section. You will often find a direct link or specific instructions there for account activation. Having these essential details ready beforehand makes the entire setup process much smoother and quite efficient. Once you are on the correct university portal, specifically look for a button or link labeled Activate Your Student Email or New Account Setup. Click on this link to initiate the activation process. You will then be guided through a series of on-screen prompts, asking for details like your birth date or student ID to verify your identity securely. Carefully follow each step to ensure proper activation. A crucial step is creating a robust, unique password that adheres to the university's security policies, often requiring a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Immediately after, set up multi-factor authentication using either a trusted authenticator application or your mobile phone number. This extra layer of security is vital for protecting your account from unauthorized access. Keep your new email and password in a very secure place. Your new university email is far more than just an email address. It is your gateway to numerous campus services, including online learning platforms, library resources, and software discounts. Make it a habit to check your inbox daily for critical announcements, academic updates, and information on financial aid or scholarships. Should you encounter any difficulties during this setup, remember the university's IT help desk is always available to provide guidance and support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.